surrender all, I surrender all to you. Cast me not away from your presence, oh Aluah, and take not your Ruach Ha'Qodesh from me. Restore unto me the joy of your salvation, and uphold me with your free rule. My soul longs for you, my heart thirsts for you, in this dry and weary land where there is no water. Your love is better than life, my lips will glorify you. I will praise you as long as I live, and in your name I will lift up my hands. Cast me not away from your presence, oh Aluah, and take not your Ruach Ha'Qodesh from me. Restore unto me the joy of your salvation, and uphold me with your free ruach. I am desperate for your touch, I am hungry for your presence. Fill me up, oh Aluah, until I overflow. Let your living water flow through me, let your fire consume me, let your glory fall. Have your way, let you move, we welcome you, we welcome you. Search me, oh Aluah, and know my heart. Test me and know my anxious thoughts. See if there's any offensive way in me, and lead me in the way everlasting. For I know that in me, that is, in my flesh dwells no good thing. For to will is present with me, but how to perform that which is good I find not, O wretched man that I am. Who shall deliver me from the body of this death? I thank Aluah through Yahuah HaMashiach, our Savior. There is therefore now no condemnation to them which are in Yahuah HaMashiach, who walk not after the flesh, but after the Ruach. For the law of the Ruach of life in Yahushua HaMashiach has made me free from the law